told her never mind. Oh, I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little eye. Oh, I spy with...
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you guys having a great day today. And today I'm going to be reacting to one guy, 40 sounds effects by Gryph0n. I've reacted to a lot of his videos before. Absolutely amazing sound effects, singer, character voices kind of guy. This is the guy that you're going to want to watch for those. Anyways, but yeah, we got 40 sound effects, and this is going to be pretty interesting. So yeah, the original link is down below in the description. With that being said, guys, let's begin into this video.
Bunch of weird noises. Here we go.
Whoa.
Oh, I'm crazy.
Yo, what? I don't even know how you can do that. It sounds exactly like all these.
It worked.
That one was kind of off.
Hey, pal, want to get out of the way?
Some of these are pretty easy, but like at the same time, pretty interesting to watch. I don't know what those sound like. That's pretty sick. That is actually pretty sick. That is actually freaking sick.
Me in real life. Hey, I have no idea what I'm doing.
What?
I hope you liked the video.
What? I don't even know what that last one was.
If you did like this video, feel free to check out some of my other stuff. There's links in the description and at the
Yeah, he's done a lot of those
my
ones.
patrons on Patreon.
That's pretty
you
sick.
guys are amazing. Thank you so much for...
Anyways, hope you guys did. Hopefully, you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did, drop a like down below, and don't forget to subscribe to Gryph0n. His link is down below in the description. And yeah, guys, if we can get 10 likes on this video, that'd be great. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys there. Peace.